If you want to remove a background, you can do it using the Quick Select tool. First, you're going to double click to unlock the layer. Hit OK, and you'll notice the lock goes away. We'll grab our Quick Select tool right here. You're just going to run your cursor across the subject, trying to get close to the edge. If you get too close, it might grab too much of the photo, of the background, and if that happens, you can remove that selection. If you end up selecting too much, you can hold down Alt to deselect, or you can choose this icon right here to deselect. Once you think you've gotten a good selection, you can always zoom in to check. You're going to click this button down here in the corner beside the FX. This is a mask, and it'll remove the background. You'll notice the mask over here. And then if you want to refine those edges, you can click on the Properties button, Mask Edge, and then you can just smooth them out a bit until you get it looking just the way that you want. And grab the Move tool at that point, and now you can move your picture wherever you'd like. You can rotate it by hovering over the corners and hold down Shift, and you can resize.